Funeral plans. You can buy them anywhere these days. Many will try and offer you a plan similar to ours. Let them try. But can they give you all your premiums back? Clientele can pay all your premiums back on top of your funeral cover amount. Yes, all your premiums on top of your cover amount.
The money from clientele paid for the funeral and I got my premiums back. So at the end of the day, it didn't cost me anything.
And now we offer you even more. At the age of 65, you can have half your premiums back to enjoy during your retirement years.
All clientele funeral plans pay out within 24 hours. It's affordable. Plans start from only 99 Rand per month.
If I think about it, the funeral cover doesn't cost me anything because I got my premiums back.
Full funeral benefits plus all premiums paid back and half of premiums available at 65.
SMS PROTECT to 44053 and we'll call you back.
SMS now.